if you want to share a file with specific people, which will give you that extra level of protection in comparison to sharing a file where anybody with the link can access it, all you need to do is click on up here where it says anybody with the link, and then you can change it, look, to people with existing access. So what that means is, for example, if this file was part of a shared team drive and then we create the link, anybody that's currently a member of that drive will be able to access it, or anybody I've historically shared this file to. So that is sometimes useful. I've not used that very often. This I use quite a lot. So where it says specific people, you can choose who you're allowing to do it. So I can choose here to look, make it editable or not. So if I want them to be able to edit it or just view it, that's how I change that. And when I click apply, look, it says people you specify can edit. And then I just type in their names. So I can type it in by distribution groups. So LGS computing. So look, I can add them, everybody in computing, just with this one distribution group, or I can add people as individuals. So I'll add somebody as an individual. And when I do this and I press send, that's absolutely fine, and that's sending an email, and I can write a message here, and that link will only be accessible by those people. I can also do the copy link there as well, but it's only the people here that it would work for. Okay, so that's how you could be a little bit more careful when you're sharing documents to give you an extra level of protection. That's definitely the way you should be doing it. If something in that document you're sharing is sensitive, then I think it's a little bit too simplistic to just click anybody in the whole business can see this. Even though you're protecting the link, you're creating a small window of opportunity for somebody to see that data that they shouldn't. So just do this method instead, and then it's foolproof.